In this video, I will teach how to do a mixing of African Zouk beat. This is part 2 of the previous video. If you did not watch, click the bubble notification in the right corner of the video and you will be redirected to the video and watch it. Double-click to highlight all. Open the mixer and route all instruments to the mixer channels. Hold Shift Control and select all routed instruments and lower the volume level. We need to start at least at 50% of the total level. I'm going to start with drums, solo one by one, and level up the volume and play with the equalizer to shape the sound. Remember, kick, snare and bass have to be in mono. When I rotate this knob clockwise, it makes our channel sound mono. Anti-clockwise is stereo. Anti-clockwise means rotate to the left side. Add a stereo enhancer to boost stereo width and depth. Some stabs do not require much skills, just concentration and good hearing ability to know which one sounds too much or too low and fix that. Adding reverbs in a good amount, not too much or too low, will help minimize unnecessary silence in between instruments and make your beat sound richer in sound. If you are watching this video with good speakers or headphones, you will hear very well each change I make. It adds something to our beat. Because we lost sound level earlier when we leveled down, now let's add compressor to boost our audio level without distortion. And also I will use Maximus to map frequency band into the right channel. Before we listen to the final beat, I want to let you know that over 60% of the people who watch my videos are not yet subscribed. If you're one of them, please consider subscribing. It means a lot to me and encourages me to create more tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and this is the final beat. Thanks once again, and see me on the next video.